In the Limpopo Boy, I guess we could say in a castle, like, oh my god, can we move to the next story? Unfortunately, we cannot move while there's still some saucy, juicy new information that has come out from Ubani. Ushashalaza FC 2.0 or 1.0, Ushaba ranks Ushaba Wama 2K. Well, he came up. A pete is gaga, and I was like, what do you mean? Because I was listening, child. And then Ushaba was like, yazini, ngiphethe ezinye indaba zika Limpopo Boy. I got fuzz, but it's all allegedly. Nothing is factual. Nothing has been fact-checked. Ukuthi yazini is the truth. So without wasting your time. So into enzakale ukuthi, okay, fine. The Vinki Vonko might have happened between Matshidiso kanye no Limpopo Boy. But one thing that might have happened is the fact that the person that leaked the information obviously is not Uskomot, because Uskomota confessed with his mouth, I've got nothing to do with that. But because they knew they were protecting someone that is very important, who happens to be a manager, Limpopo Boy, it seems like he is the guy that leaked those videos. We as with Kanjani. So what happened? Let's draw a scenario according to how Shaba put it. But obviously Limpopo Boy was sasela a video from komisela Matshidiso ukuthi yazini ngamudla loya. You get the vibes. I tell that girl, you know, uThomasedi mbona lapha emakompeni azi ukuthi nami ngidlulile khona da. You get the vibes. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Guys will always be guys. So cool. Maqeda probably wayifaka efonini yakhe, but maybe ukhona umedem or whatever the relationship is. Maybe he has a girlfriend. He's like, okay. And also putting it on your phone is very risky, you know, especially when you're someone that sometimes you leave your phone without locking it and someone might see that. So he's like, Yazin, let me go and put it on my TikTok draft or whatever, or stories, and make sure that it is private. It can only be seen by moi, so that whenever I can go back and rewatch that video. I don't know if it happened after the Limpopo balcony mix, or it's an old video asazi, because it might happen ukuthi yazini tsala bayenzile le Vinki Vonko bayiphinda asazi. So okay, sharp wayifaka vele lapha ku TikTok, what private, what but viewers what wabhala ukuthi only me, only I, me, myself and I can be able to see the video. Cool, case closed. Manje uzithola yena ne manager bangaboni ngasolinye. Manje manager mayithi nhla ithi wanyela wena futhi wavele wangena lapha ku TikTok walika that video that we were not supposed to see, that was not part of our eyes, that was for Limpopo Boy's eyes and Matshidiso's memory. But unfortunately ugayi, because he was mad, he was like untlela hambi wena wathi tlatla wathi leak a phumi video. And Limpopo Boy is like, okay, damage control, okay, fine, so the video was leaked. Obvious, because there's no way Limpopo Boy would want to jeopardize his future like that. And I'm not going to go into full detail because I've already spoken about that in the previous video. You can go check it out. So cool. Limpopo was like, no ways, and he's like, Leo came. So okay, ciao. And he's like, okay, let me see who can I frame for damage control, you know, to retain a character and my dignity. You get the vibes. Okay, they were like Uskomota, and obviously I made another video to tell you that Uskomota had nothing to do with that video. Leo video it explains everything, and I was like, okay, but the public's knowledge is the fact that Uskomota is the one that leaked the video. Going to find good manager. Obviously, cannot say that the manager yami is the one that leaked my video, because at the end of the day, I figure like maybe it might be because of the manager. So if Azokuluma having a manager, that means he's putting his life even in more serious consequences, because obviously now people are like, okay, we're trying to forgive you. Now the manager is also like that. Then it means we go to one day the manager, if we double cross him, he might get us in a big trouble. And mind you, all of this is alleged. So what's your take, Mzansi? Do you think udlalwa ngathi? What do you think is actually happening? Kulman, abe busy comment section, please.